Good start. Come on, V8. Oh, that gear change is a little bit slow. What is going on? This is fast, but it's not fast enough. Oh my God. That's progress for you. The V10's obviously closer together. This got away really well with the manual. The latest car though smashed everyone, but it wasn't that much of a difference between the LMX and the new version. Do you know what? Back in the day, 2008, with the V8 engine, this is a quick car. It's only at big speeds where those really start to pull.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the brand new Mark II R8 V10 Performance did the quarter mile in 10.7 seconds. The Mark I V10 LMX took 10.9 seconds. The Mark I V10 GT Spider took 11.5 seconds. And the original Mark I V8 took 12.6 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We're all in third gear. Obviously the automatics are locked in third. So here we go. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Pickup's really good on this. Really good. Really good. Revving it out now and it's all happened. It's all happened. I'm done. I'm backing off. It's really close between the latest Mark II V10 Performance and the end of the run Mark I LMX. So close. Woo! Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour when we hit the cone. Full emergency stop. They don't have to worry about pressing their clutches down. I do. Let's do it. Come on. Come on, my old girl. That's weird. So, yeah, I lost that with the older car and probably smaller brakes. The GT Spider actually came second. The LMX didn't do so well. Now that's on carbon ceramic brakes. Maybe they just needed a bit of heat in them. Although the other cars, they're on carbon ceramics as well. This is the only one that isn't. Well, there's progress for you there. I think the difference between those cars is to do with the reaction time of the driver, because Spider is actually about 50 kilos heavier than these coupes. So there you go, things have definitely moved on, haven't they? But not by as much as you may think. This car's very, very quick today and it is lovely to drive and I do really like.